Hello guys, so today we're gonna actually touch up her new growth and we're gonna put a permanent color, and also on the ends we're gonna touch up with a gloss, Redken Shades EQ, because we don't need a permanent color, we need a demi color so we can just give it some shine and a little bit of the TLC. So on the ends, we're gonna apply Redken Shades EQ, a demi permanent color. Alright guys, so it's very important whenever we brush the hair to start with the ends, getting closer to the mids and then closer to the roots. Because otherwise if we start from the roots and we pull, because the hair is wet, it's very fragile and it can break. So if you always start on the ends, get closer to the mids and then closer to the roots, it just untangles very easily. So you have to imagine like a pack of spaghetti pasta. Whenever you open the pack and you take a brush and you brush it, you can brush it, but if you boil the pasta and then you try to brush it, it breaks. So that's kind of like how the hair can be. So you have to keep that in mind all the time if you want to have like healthy hair. So if you guys are wondering why we apply two different colors, it's because on the roots of her new growth was never colored before. However, her mids and ends were previously colored, so you don't want to add more permanent color and more, because the more you add on top of that, the darker it's gonna get. So that's the reason why we put two separate colors. We put a demi on the mids and ends and a permanent color on her new growth.